Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Approximately 2 hours. Be sure to allow the prime rib to set out at room temperature for approximately 2 hours before cooking. Allow it to reach room temperature before cooking because the roast should not be cold when it starts to cook.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cooking temperatures. Sear the rib roast for 15 minutes at the higher oven temperature, 450 degrees F, then turn the oven to the lower temperature, 325 degrees F, for the rest of the cooking time. Do not cover the roast. You will want to estimate about 12 minutes per pound of meat for the cooking time.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Place roast, bone side down. The bones serve in place of a meat rack, in shallow roasting pan. Insert meat thermometer in thickest part of roast, not touching bone or fat. Roast 15 minutes. Insert meat thermometer into prime rib.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cook the rib. Place the roast fat side up, bone side down, in a large roasting pan. Cook for 15 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows the heat to sear the roast, trapping the juicy flavors inside while the rest of the meat cooks.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You want to pull the roast out a minimum of 10 degrees before you hit these temperatures. Once the roast is out, tent it with foil, and let it sit for about 20 minutes. The temperature will rise at least another 10 degrees if you cover it in foil. It also lets the juices set and flow back to the meat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.